Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a Dollar Tree ribbon wreath. You will need a metal wreath form. You will need a bunch of ribbon. I am trying to use up some scrap ribbon that I have. I also decided to pick up this ribbon from the Dollar Tree because I wanted some bigger ribbon. You're going to need some pipe cleaners, any kind of extra florals that you want or berries that you can find. These ones I picked up from the Dollar Tree, as well as one of the Dollar Tree wooden signs. They had, I think, 3 different signs. I don't remember exactly what they said, but I picked this Peace on Earth one. So to begin, I am just going to take the ribbon, and I want them to be about 7 inches long. Now, they don't have to be 7 inches. They could be shorter if you want. They just kind of looked like the right size to me. That's why I picked 7 inches. And I'm just going to do this kind of like an assembly line. So the first step is to cut all of my ribbon. And I'm going to cut the ribbon, and then I'm going to cut the ends to give it that, I don't know what it's called. I think it's like a winged look or a dovetail, or I have no idea. What is the cut? If you know what that cut is at the end of the ribbon, please put it down in the comments so that I know what to say next time. But I stack them up in like 4 or 5 pieces of ribbon to cut it so that I can get it done a lot faster than doing it individually. Now for the skinnier pieces of ribbon, I am just going to cut the ends in a slant. And again, kind of assembly line, I just cut a whole bunch to make a nice big pile. So I have a funny story for you. So here's all the ribbon that I have. These were the colors that I wanted to use. These were like leftover ribbon that I had used from previous years and previous projects, other than that one that I just purchased. However, this amount of ribbon only covered about half of the wreath. So here I am just trying to use up all my old ribbon, and I actually needed to go out and buy new ribbon to finish my wreath. And so I guess that didn't work out because now I have more leftover ribbon from the new ribbon I purchased. Now to assemble these bunches, it's pretty easy. I am just going to vary the ribbons in my little bunches. I used 4 ribbons per bunch, 2 of the wider ribbons and then 2 of the skinnier ribbons. Then you just take your pipe cleaner and you twist it around and make it really tight in the middle. Then that pipe cleaner is what we will use to attach to the metal wreath form. And I want to introduce myself if you are new to my channel. My name is Julie, and here on my channel I love to share really budget-friendly DIYs and home decor ideas so that you can beautify your home one project at a time. So if you are new, I would love it if you introduce yourself down in the comments. Let me know that you're new here. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the bell so that you can see all the future videos when they come out. Now, like I had said, I varied them, so every single bunch was not exactly the same. It had different ribbons and different colors in them, so that the wreath was kind of varied in patterns. Once all the ribbon was twist tied onto the metal form, if there were any places where there kind of looked like there were spaces or gaps, I just kind of scrunched up all of the ribbon, and it mixed it all in. It just kind of made it look like one big finished wreath. And then I took the different berries that I picked up from the Dollar Tree and placed them in the wreath, and I ended up just hot gluing them in place. One of the things I love about this wreath is that you can use any colored ribbons. If you want a white and blue wreath, if you want burgundy colors with gold, you could do this any way you want so that it matches your decor and or uses up the ribbon that you have already in your house. Now, I did try just leaving this wooden piece plain, and it looked really good in the wreath, but I wanted it to have a little bit of a stained look. So instead of using a stain, because the only stain I actually have right now is really dark, I decided to use this dark taupe craft paint that I had. I just added a little bit of water to it to make it watery, and then after I applied it, I just wiped it with a paper towel, and it really gave it a stained look. So to attach the wooden sign, all I did was hot glue it onto the wreath. This wreath cost me a couple of dollars, and I absolutely love how it turned out. I hope you guys do too. If you're looking for some more Christmas DIY inspiration, please check out this other video, and I will see you guys in the next DIY. Bye!